Good morning, everyone. JP here, and I've been up very early this morning. I've been working on an upcoming tutorial, probably maybe next week, a CV. I'm stealing this site. I have absolutely no qualms in copying from others because, like I always say, I didn't invent the line, I only extended it, and I still need to meet the person who invented the line. So my point is that there is actually, in my opinion, nothing original out there. It's ideas upon ideas, and we build that, and that's how the world is created, upon these ideas that keep building on each other. Off the point. The point is that I want to show you how to achieve the color bullets, because if you do it by default, you're going to find that it won't work, especially if you are using the swatches the first time. And I'm going to show you how you can do it. It happened by pure coincidence, and how I got there, I'll show you. Again, this is not how it should work. It should just happen, but it doesn't work like that currently in Brizy. So I'll bring in here a new block, and then let's bring in a text element, drop it there, and I'm just going to cut it a few times so we can create a few bullets here. One more. So we've got these, and then you highlight it. And then this one over here, next to the alignment, will give you the numbered lists first and then bullets. And what put me onto the fact that I could change the color of the bullet, and you would probably tell me, but you should be able to. And if you've worked with Brizy for the last 2 years, you would know you couldn't. It was black. And that is the thing that triggered it. For me, it wasn't black. I highlighted it, and then I put it on this green, and no, the bullet still remained like that. And this is probably where you may just give up. But what happened is, after I did this, I thought to myself, the line height between these are just way too much. So I selected everything, I went to my typography, and then when I clicked down, the color changed. So like, huh? So that is one way I got it to work. So if I highlight it again and I click on the purple, you see it is, again, that teal color. Then I just went to typography, clicked up on the line height, clicked down, and I got it to switch. The other one that I found, though, is that for some reason it's connected to the swatches. So if you select the swatches from here, it may not switch. But if you paste in a code, so if I go over to this side here, and I select a color, go back to this one, and I paste the code, it's going to update. There you go. So if you've been struggling with this one, there's a workaround. I would almost say it works, but there's now a little glitch. That's the difference. Let's just check while we're here. I didn't check the numbers. Numbers work too, JP. I just wish we had more indent control. That would be super nice. And once you've done that, paste code and you run into this example, just go and play around a little bit here with this slider and drag it, and there you go. I hope that was useful. It was a eureka moment for me this morning, and that's why I decided I'm quickly going to share this with you. While we're on it, there's another video coming out later today, full tutorial on a parallax portfolio. Please support the video, give us a like if you want to see more of this. Have a good weekend.